Hi, this is Jamie from Shanti with a quick tip for you on working with our Empower Master Essence. So it has the cleansing function because in order to really move you into the future, into your strength, you have to break free of the limiting beliefs and the things that would bind you, the trauma that might bind you, the patterns that might bind you from the past. And it has a synergy of ingredients in it as well for helping to protect and shield you, right? Everyone tends to leak energy in certain situations. It does have a synergy of ingredients in it that is specifically designed to help plug or seal parts of your auric field that would cause you to otherwise leak energy. It has some really grounding, rooting, solid ingredients that help to strengthen your overall sense of confidence and determination. Also for inspiring transformation or creating shifts or changes in your life. If you're feeling stuck or blocked, if you're in a bad habit, this can be a really good essence to work with. That is our Shanti best-selling Empower Blend. Thank you very much.